Meaning of EFTA.
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 EFTA. EFTA stands for the European Free Trade Association, an intergovernmental organization that promotes free trade and economic cooperation between its 4 member states Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, and Switzerland and other countries around the world. Founded in 1960, EFTA has signed several free trade agreements with a number of countries, including the EU, Canada, Japan, and Singapore. Through these agreements, EFTA aims to increase trade and investment flows, reduce barriers to trade, and facilitate the movement of goods, services, and people across borders. Overall, EFTA plays a significant role in promoting economic growth and development in its member states and beyond.